WhatsApp, one of the world's most widely used messaging apps, has finally made its way to smartwatches. The company has officially launched the WhatsApp app for Wear OS, bringing essential features directly to users' wrists. This long awaited release is a major milestone for smartwatch users, especially for those who rely on their Galaxy Watch 8, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, Galaxy Watch Ultra, and Galaxy Watch models. Until now, smartwatch users had limited interaction with WhatsApp. They could only reply to incoming notifications or answer a WhatsApp call if it was synced from their smartphone. With the arrival of the official WhatsApp app for Wear OS, things have completely changed. Users can now open WhatsApp on their watch, browse through conversations, send messages, make calls, and even share media, all without needing to pull out their phone. The app offers a range of features that make communication seamless and more accessible. Users can send and receive text messages, emojis, stickers, voice notes, pictures, and even short videos. Another exciting addition is the ability to save image attachments directly into the smartwatch gallery, something that was previously impossible. This feature enhances the multimedia experience on wearables and brings WhatsApp closer to its full functionality on smartphones. Voice and video calls are also supported in this early version of the app. You can initiate a call directly from your Galaxy Watch 8 or answer one without reaching for your phone. While the call quality may depend on the watch's built-in hardware and Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection, it is still a significant step toward making the smartwatch more independent. The arrival of WhatsApp on Wear OS also strengthens the competition between messaging apps on smartwatches. Rivals such as Telegram, Line, and KakaoTalk have been available on wearable platforms for some time. By officially joining the list, WhatsApp has leveled the playing field and ensured its dominance in the smartwatch market as well. For users who have been waiting for a reliable messaging app on their Galaxy Watch, this is great news. It's worth noting that the current version of WhatsApp for Wear OS offers many features. You will get a new message or send it to your friends, see group chats, download and view images, and reply to chat with keyboard. Like smartphones, the WhatsApp app on your Galaxy Watch 8 will allow you to manage your chats and also react to them. In future updates, we may see more convenient features. Installing the app is simple. Users can open the Google Play Store on their Galaxy Watch 8 or anywhere OS powered smartwatch, search for WhatsApp Messenger, and download it directly. Once installed, the app will sync with the existing WhatsApp account, allowing seamless communication across devices.